This is the sixth part of simultaneous equation, and the method is reciprocal method. Now I have choose total 4 different type of question and solve आपके साथ इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे. Now the first question, what do you mean by reciprocal? Suppose that the value is given 10 and to find out the reciprocal of 10 r equals to 1 by 10. It is a very simple method. Okay. Now the first question is 3 by x plus 2 by y are equals to 1. In this question, by reciprocal method, first of all, let 1 by x are equals to a and 1 by y are equals to b. Okay. Now the value of 1 by x and 1 by y put this equation. Therefore, now the equation is 3a plus 2b are equals to 1. This is the equation number 1. Okay. According to question, 5x plus 4 by y are equals to 13 by 8. Now same as it is. Let 1 by x are equals to a and 1 by y are equals to b. Okay. Therefore, 5a plus 4b are equals to 13 by 8. This is the equation number 2. Okay. To find out the value of small a and b in both the equations. Okay. Now 3a plus 2b are equals to 1. Second, 5a plus 4b are equals to 13 by 8. Again, by elimination method, किसको एलिमिनेट करेंगे हम लोग? b को एलिमिनेट करेंगे. ओके. Now the check coefficient of b in equation 1 or in equation 2. Is the equal coefficient or unequal coefficient? If unequal coefficient are there, आपको मैं बता चुका हूं, तो हम क्या करेंगे? इक्वेशन 1 का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा 2 is multiplied in equation 2 and the coefficient of b4 in equation 2 is multiplied by equation 1. Okay. चलिए आइए मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 4 3s are 12a plus 8b are equals to 4. 10a plus 8b are equals to 13 by 4. अब आपको एलिमिनेट करना है. साइन सेम है तो आपको साइन डिफरेंट करना होगा. माइनस माइनस माइनस. इट इज ऑल्सो डिस्कस with you from elimination method. Okay. Now this one is cancelled. 2a are equals to 4 minus 13 by 4. 4 minus 13 by 4. By LCM 4 4s are 16. 2a are equals to 16 minus 13 divided by 4. Therefore 3 by 4. Now a are equals to 3 by 8. This is the value of small a. Again, the value of small a put in equation 1 or equation 2. Now, the value of a put in equation 1. 1 में put करते हैं हम लोग, right? Now the equation 1 is 3a plus 2b are equals to 1. Okay. Now the value of small a are equals to 3 by 8. 3 into 3 by 8 plus 2b are equals to 1. Say 9 by 8 plus 2b are equals to 1. Okay, now 2b are equals to 1 minus 9 by 8. By LCM, 2b are equals to 8 minus 9 divided by 8 are equals to minus 1 by 8. Okay, now b are equals to minus 1 by 8 into 2 are equals to minus 1 by 60. This is the value of b. But according to question 2, find out the value of x and y in equation 1 and 2 by using reciprocal method. Okay. Now next step, the value of a is there and the value of b. Okay. Now 1 by x are equals to a. What is the value of a? 3 by 8. 1 by x are equals to 3 by 8. By cross multiplication, 3x are equals to 8. Now x are equals to 8 by 3. This is the first value. Okay. And now the second, 1 by y are equals to b. 1 by y are equals to b. And the value of b is 1 by y are equals to minus 1 by 60. By cross multiplication, minus y are equals to 16. Now y are equals to minus 16. This is the result. और अगर आपको चेक करना है तो x और y की वैल्यू इक्वेशन 1 में डालिए, पुट कर दीजिए, रिजल्ट आपका क्या आना चाहिए? दिस इज द कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. ओके, 1 आना चाहिए. देन आपका जो सॉल्यूशन है विल बी करेक्ट. ओके, मेरे ख्याल से बहुत इजी था और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास हैं, उसको और सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप लोगों को और अच्छे से ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि दिस मेथड, रेसिप्रोकल मेथड से किस टाइप से आप साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन के अननोन वैल्यूज का अननोन वैल्यूज डिफाइन करें. ओके, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Now the second question is 4x plus 3y are equals to 8xy, and the second equation is 6x plus 5y are equals to 13xy. First of all, write in form of simultaneous equation. Okay. Now solution: 4x plus 3y are equals to 8xy. xy is divided in both the side of the equation. आपको क्या करना है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में xy से क्या करना है? डिवाइड कर देना है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रोसेस. ओके, नाउ 4x by xy, ओके, प्लस 3y by xy are equals to 8xy upon xy. In same process, in equation 2 of the same question, therefore 6x plus 5y are equals to 13xy. 6x divided by xy plus 5y divided by xy are equals to 13xy divided by xy. क्या क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है? उसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए. x x कैंसिल हो जा रहा है. नाउ द इक्वेशन इज 4 by y प्लस y y कैंसिल हो रहा है. 3 by x आर इक्वल्स टू 8. ऑल आर कैंसिल. ओके, दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके, इन दिस केस x x will be cancelled, therefore 6 by y plus y y cancel, therefore 5 by x are equals to xy are cancelled, therefore 13. This is the equation number 2. Again let the 1 by x are equals to a and 1 by y are equals to b. इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, सपोज करना है, एज्यूम करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू रेसिप्रोकल मेथड. ओके, therefore 4b plus 3a are equals to 8. This is the equation number 3. Okay, and 6b plus 5a are equals to 13. This is equation number 4. And to find, solve two equations, equation number 3 and 4 by any method, say elimination method, substitution method or comparison method. ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ चुके हैं already discussed with you in all the methods. Okay, any methods will be applied for solving both the equations, say equation 3 and equation 4. Okay, now 6b plus 5a are equals to 13. किसको एलिमिनेट करना है, a को एलिमिनेट करते हैं. ओके, a को एलिमिनेट करेंगे, दैट मींस सेकंड स्टेप, check the coefficient of a in equation 1 and 2. Both are the different unequal coefficient. तो आपको क्या करना होगा, it will be changing equal coefficient is multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 3. मैं हर क्वेश्चन में आपको ये बता रहा हूं कि अनइक्वल कोफिशिएंट जब होगा तो उसको किसमें कन्वर्ट करना होगा, इक्वल कोफिशिएंट में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू इक्वल कोफिशिएंट. अब इक्वल कोफिशिएंट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, बहुत ही सिंपल है. आपको एलिमिनेट किसको करना है, a को करना है. नाउ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ a इन इक्वेशन 1 is 3 multiplied in equation 2, just opposite. Now the coefficient of a is 5 in equation 2 is multiplied by equation 1. Okay, therefore 20b plus 15a are equals to 8 pi is 40, 18b 50a 39, माइनस कैंसिल हो गया. 2b are equals to 1. Now b are equals to 1 by 2. Now the value of b put in equation 3 और 4. हम लोग किसमें पुट करते हैं, 3 में, 4 में पुट कर देते हैं. The value of b put in equation 4. इक्वेशन 4 में पुट कर देते हैं. क्या होगा, the value of b is 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 plus 5a are equals to 13. 2 3 is 6. 3 plus 5a are equals to 13. Now 5a are equals to 13 minus 3 are equals to 10. Therefore a are equals to 10 divided by 5 are equals to 2 again. The value of a is also 2 and the value of b are equals to 1 by 2. और लास्ट में क्या करेंगे, the value of a and b is put in this value. Okay, 1 by x are equals to a that is 2. 1 by x are equals to 2 by a. By cross multiplication x are equals to 1 by 2. Right? It is clear. I hope that it is clear. Okay. Now 1 by y are equals to b and 1 by y are equals to 1 by 2. By cross multiplication y are equals to 2. It is very simple. Okay, but I have choose different type of question. Not similar question. First question is as. Now second question is changed in form of first question. आप देखिए ये जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन में दो इक्वेशन हमने चूज किया है, ध्यान दीजिए इन दोनों इक्वेशन को हमने किस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया था? इक्वेशन 1 के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया था। इक्वेशन 1 के फॉर्म में ये देखिए दिस वन एंड दिस वन एंड अगेन सॉल्व। ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Now the question number 3 is 2y by x plus 3 are equals to 2y, and the second equation 5y by x plus 8 are equals to 31 by 6y. Same, it will be right in form of question number 1. Okay, आपको ये याद रखना होगा कि ये जो क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा है इसको किस फॉर्म में आपको नोट करना है, इन फॉर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट मींस इन फॉर्म ऑफ साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. ओके, नाउ राइट हैंड साइड इज 2y. नाउ इन इक्वेशन 2 राइट हैंड साइड आर इक्वल्स टू 31 by 6y. Therefore the y is divided left hand side and right hand side of both the equation. ठीक है, both the equation, okay, left hand side and right hand side of both the equation is divided by y. कैसे समझ में आया किससे डिवाइड करना है? क्योंकि लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने बताया जरूर, मगर हो सकता है कि आप ध्यान दिए हैं या ना ध्यान दिए. ओके, नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन which item is divided by left hand side and right hand side of both the equations. ये कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि किससे डिवाइड करना है? तो आपको क्या देखना है कि राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या लिखा है? 2y लिखा हुआ है. दैट मींस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज डिवाइडेड बाय y in both the equations. Okay, now 2y by again xy plus 3 by y are equals to 2y by y. Now second equation 5y by xy plus 8 by y are equals to 31 by 6 into y by y. Cancel कर दीजिए, y is cancelled in the equation 1, this one is cancelled, y cancelled and y is also cancelled. Now the equation 2 by x plus 3 by y are equals to 2. Okay, now the second one 5 by x plus 8 by y are equals to 31 by 6. Okay, this question write in form of simultaneous equation. Okay, two unknown values are there and the constant value is also there. Okay, now let 1 by x are equals to a and 1 by y are equals to b. Therefore 2a plus 3b are equals to 2, this one, and this one 5a plus 8b are equals to 31 by 6. Now solve both the equation by any method. जो हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं वो किसी भी मेथड से क्या कर सकते हैं, हम उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ 5a plus 8b are equals to 31 by 6. I have solved again by elimination method. Now in this equation I have eliminated a in both the equations. Now step number 2, check equal or unequal coefficient of a. Unequal coefficient are there, then तो क्या करना होगा? Then it will be converted into equal coefficient. This one is multiplied by 5, this one is multiplied by 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10a plus 15b are equals to 10. Now 10a plus 16b are equals to 31 by 3 because 2 3s are 6, right? Minus 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 cancel. Minus b are equals to 10 minus 31 by 3. By LCM 30 minus 31 divided by 3 are equals to minus 1 by 3, and the minus minus are cancelled, therefore b are equals to 1 by 3. Now the value of b put in equation 1 or equation 2, that is this one, where this one or this one. Okay, the value of b put in equation 2. Equation 2, that means 5a plus 8b are equals to 31 by 6. Now the value of b are equals to 1 by 3. Okay, 5a plus 8 into 1 by 3, 8 into 1 by 3 are equals to 31 by 6. Now 5a are equals to 31 by 6 minus 8 by 3, by LCM 6, 31 minus 16. Now 5a are equals to 31 minus 16. 31 minus 16 are equals to 15. 15 by 6. Now a are equals to 15 by 6 into 5. Now 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Now a are equals to 1 by 2. And the same for all the questions. The value of a and the value of b are equals to 1 by x and 1 by y. Okay. Now 1 by x are equals to a. Okay. Now 1 by x are equals to 1 by 2. But by cross multiplication, x are equals to 2. Now second, 1 by y are equals to b. Now b are equals to 1 by 3. 1 by y are equals to 1 by 3. Now by cross multiplication, y are equals to 3. This is simple. But just like a different question, which type of methods are used, किस तरीके से, किस मेथड से आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, बिकॉज द अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल मेथड. ओके, मगर किस तरीके से आप इसको सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए चूज किए. ठीक है, नाउ द लास्ट वन एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल मेथड. This is question number 4. Now the question number 4 is very lengthy. 24 by 2x plus y minus 13 by 3x plus 2y are equals to 2. Okay, this is the first equation. Now the second equation, 26 by 3x plus 2y plus 8 by 2x plus y are equals to 3. Now the question is to find out the value of x and y by reciprocal method. Okay, अब reciprocal method आपको यूज करके इसको सॉल्व करना है. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. इन बोथ द इक्वेशंस न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, आप डिनोमिनेटर चेक कर लीजिए. दिस वन एंड दिस वन आर सेम. ओके, दैट मींस let 1 by 2x plus y are equals to a. Okay, in equation 1 this one, or in equation 2 this one, both are the same. Now 1 by 3x plus 2y are equals to b. Therefore the value of this one and this one put in equation. Okay, therefore 24a minus 13b are equals to 2. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. According to question, second equation, that is this one, 8a, okay, because 1 by 2x plus y is assumed a, plus 26b are equals to 3. Okay, this is the equation number 2. If both the questions is solved by elimination method, then first of all check the different sign in front of unknown value. This is the step number 1. And second step, equal or unequal coefficient. You have checked equal or unequal coefficient. Now again unequal coefficients are there. Then unequal coefficient is converted to equal coefficient into 26 into 30, because in equation 2 is coefficient 26 is multiplied by equation 1 and 30 is the coefficient of b in equation 1, therefore it is multiplied by equation 2. चलिए कैलकुलेट करते हैं 24 into 26 20. अच्छा ये बताइए आप लोग इसको और सिंपल आप कर सकते हैं. 13 2 जा 26. Okay, that means it is multiplied by 2 or it is multiplied by 1. Okay, now 24 into 2 48a minus 26b are equals to 2. 8a plus 26b are equals to 2. b are eliminated. Therefore 48 plus 8 56a are equals to 5. Now a are equals to 5 by 56. Oh sorry, this is 2 to the 4. Now 7 by 56. Now a are equals to 1 by 8. Okay, now the value of a put in equation this one or this one, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आप कौन सी इक्वेशन में पुट करते हैं. चलिए हम लोग इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करते हैं. Now the value of a put in equation 2 में पुट करते हैं. Now equation 2 is 8a plus 26b b are equals to 3. Now the value of a is 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 26b are equals to 3. 8 cancel. Now 26b are equals to 3 minus 1, because 8 8s are 8 1s are 8. 26b are equals to 2. Now b are equals to 2 by 26 are equals to 1 by 13. This is the value of b. Okay. Now the same as for all three questions and reciprocal method, a and b value is put this equation. That means first of all 1 by 2x plus y are equals to a, that means 1 by 8. Now by cross multiplication, therefore 2x plus y are equals to 8. This is another new equation. Okay, now the second, 1 by 3x plus 2y are equals to 1 by 30. Again, by cross multiplication, 3x plus 2y are equals to 30. This is the another second equation. Okay, and solve the two equation by any method. Any method, that means जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं पहले से. ओके, चलिए 2x plus y are equals to 8, 3x plus 2y are equals to 30. Now I have eliminated y in equation 1 and 2. Now it is multiplied by 2, it is multiplied by 1 because unequal coefficients are there, right? Now this is 4x plus 2y are equals to 16 and 3x plus 2y are equals to 30. Minus minus minus, this one is cancelled. Now x are equals to 3. X are equals to 3. And the value of x put in equation this one or this one. Okay. The value of x put in equation 2x plus y are equals to 8. Okay. Now the value of x, put this equation. 2 into 3 plus y are equals to 8. Now y are equals to 8 minus 6 are equals to 2. That means this is the result. This is the result. This is the sixth part. This is the sixth part and the method is reciprocal method. ये आज का वीडियो एंड करते हैं because this method all the different type of question solve आपके साथ हमने solve किया और I hope that कि आप लोगों को क्लियर समझ में आ गया. Any type of question, I am always every video all the questions solved by any method and the result are same. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you very much.